Here we go again, our biggest announcement of the year. The sign-up is now open for our new 2024 yoga program, The Journey of a Cosmic Soul. This is our absolutely free 31-day yoga experience to help you start your new year in the most aligned and optimized way. For the last 8 years, every January 1st, we release a special Boho Beautiful program. And to this date, hundreds of thousands of you have rolled out your mats with us to experience the deep benefit of starting a new year with a beautiful intention of self-care. And this year, it feels to us like we all need this more than ever. So make the commitment today. And if you sign up right now, you will also immediately receive 3 exclusive tools of videos and guidebooks that will help you close this year off right. All you have to do is simply click the link in the description of this video or go to www.bohobeautiful.life/thegiftofyoga and give yourself the gift of a perfect start to 2024. See you on the mat.